What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I will show you how to buy and sell USDT on P2P on Binance. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video, step by step, I will show you how to buy and sell USDT on Binance through P2P. Each and everything. So keep watching this video till the end. Step by step I will guide you. So guys, the very first thing, the very important part is that you have to sell or you have to buy the USDT from the verified merchants. So guys, right now I am on the Binance. So for selling USDT, or right now I am going to sell my USDT. So for selling the USDT, simply I will click on trade option. Now guys, on the top you can see there is a P2P option, so simply click on P2P. Now let's have a look. There you have to add the payment method, whether you are using bank account, whether you are using any other services. The very first thing you need to do, that click on the filter option, and guys, there you have to click on verified merchant ads only. So simply click on that and click on confirm. Now guys, you have to select the payment method. I'm using the bank transfer. There is available EasyPaisa, SadaPay, NayaPay and JazzCash. So I will select the bank transfer, then click on the confirm option. Now guys, for buying USDT, be sure that for the voting is more important here. There you can see that 98.97%, 99%, 97%. Select the merchant that should be above 98%, not below 98%. So guys, there is the rate of USDT that you can see, 299 in the buying category. If you want to sell, simply click on the sell option. Now select your payment method. Here I will select bank transfer and click on confirm. There you can see guys, the first one 96.83%, 97% and 93%. Again, coming to the down, 99%, you can see guys, 99%. So here 98%, 98.89%, 99.27%. So guys, I will select this one. So simply you can select the sell option. Now here you have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. So simply I will enter the amount of USDT here. The amount will be, you can see guys, enter the value above 280. So I will go back. There you can select the another one that you can see guys, limit 20,000 up to 83,000. So there you have to click on that. That is also 99%. Simply click on the sell option. Again I will enter 100 USDT here. Now guys, you can see the 100 USDT converting to PKR this much. So bank transfer is also selected. So simply I will swipe to place the order here and click on I acknowledge. Here guys, I am waiting for the buyers. So again click on the chat option. Now guys, you can chat with the buyer here. Once the buyer released the payment, easily you can release the USDT. The order will be cancelled in 14 up to 15 minutes. So you can easily sell USDT or buy USDT through this P2P method on Binance. So guys, once you received the payment on P2P, guys, the payment received option will appear. So guys, you can check your account with that whether you received the payment or not. So guys, once you received the payment, so simply click on payment received. Now here you can see I have verified the payment from this much has been received from this guy. So simply click on that and click on confirm release. Now guys, you have to verify that. And finally guys, I sold the amount of USDT on P2P on Binance. So guys, this is the way how you can sell your USDT or how you can buy USDT on Binance. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.